This week, the shop is working on the stair tread and shelf gauge, so here's a quick update on where we're at. Starting with the adjustable bevel end. We mill the bevel end out of aluminum at one of our CNC mills. After the milling cycle is complete, the parts are hand inspected by the machinist. Then, to ensure accuracy of the bevel, we check the parts on our state-of-the-art video optic system. Next, we move on to machining the end arm, which gets milled out of solid blocks of aluminum. Those parts are also hand inspected by the machinist. And made sure that they fit snugly on the dual-purpose T-track. We'll continue to work on the stair tread and shelf gauge this week, and shipping will begin soon. So stay tuned for more OneTIME Tool production updates.